Hi, welcome to KidLivZ. This is my brother Darshan. In 2017, Darshan was having a treatment for cancer, and our family learned how the food he ate helped him to get better. We worked with our nutritionists, who helped us to understand which foods would help support Darshan to survive his treatment and his cancer. Since then, Darshan has led our family to give unhealthy foods a chop. We want to help other kids make good choices about what they eat. So these videos tell you all about the foods that we've chosen to eat. Darshan and I have a huge amount of fun learning and experimenting to cook. We hope you enjoy watching and we inspire you to do the same. Oh, and by the way, I'm Anise.
Yeah.
This is what we've all been waiting for. William!
Hi, my name's William and I'm here because a couple months ago, me and my brother Edward did a KidLivZ cook-along, and now Darshan and Anise have invited us here to cook along with them.
William is going to assist me making a pasta bake. So in this bowl, we have celery, 1 yellow pepper.
We know at KidLivZ that we really love colours, and peppers are one of those colourful foods. They're rich in vitamin C, which is really good for your immune system. They've got lots of other what are called phytonutrients that help to protect your cells and keep you strong.
Bit of kale, we've got some Brussels sprouts, some mushrooms, carrots, cherry tomatoes and some aubergine, which is a delicious vegetable. Choose a knife. Thank you. These are really sharp knives, so beware.
Yeah, we want to have 2 hands by the end of this video. So. I'm going to show you what a claw hold is. So this is what you call a claw hold here, and you kind of chop it and you move your fingers back, and you have to keep them together because if you have one like finger out, it's easier to cut with a knife.
Once we've got all of the veg chopped, then we'll start adding the first bits like the onion. Do you cry when you cut onions?
Yeah, when we did the KidLivZ cook-along, yeah, we tried a bit of onion and it was just not good.
I am just peeling onions, which is such a pain. I hate peeling onions. Okay, what's your favourite veg in here?
The carrot, only because it's a carrot. I like the flavour. I've always wondered, can you eat aubergine raw?
Okay, there's one way to find out.
Taste of ground. Don't ask why I know that.
And take that.
So we've chopped almost all of our
Vegetables.
except the carrots.
I'm going to cut the carrots, and we're not going to peel the skin today because the skin is full of fibre, so you don't want to lose that.
So carrots are orange, obviously. They do come in different colours actually, but most of them are orange, and they are full of something called beta-carotene, which is the vegetable form of vitamin A, and really good for your skin, and they are really good for your eyes.
Have you ever had brown rice pasta?
Okay, so I haven't ever heard of brown rice pasta.
Well, brown rice pasta is really good for you, and it's gluten-free, and I'm sure Steve Grant can explain it in a better way.
So we like to choose brown rice pasta over white rice pasta because the brown rice pasta has the added benefit of some extra nutrients and also fibre as well. This makes it a little bit more healthier for the digestive system and also gives you more nutrients so your body's able to produce more energy.
Oh, I need to add some salt.
Salt, where's salt?
In the bottom drawer over on the left.
Left, there you go. Oh.
It will probably take about 5 minutes to boil. 12 minutes to boil, which is basically 5, but...
You know coconut oil?
Yes.
Is it edible by itself?
Yes. Would you like to try some?
Oh, yeah, okay.
Is that loads?
Is that?
Just take it.
It's like slimy. I don't know. It's really weird.
Okay, and then as soon as it's on, you want to add the onions.
Red onions are part of the allium family, and they release something called allicin when they are digested. They are very good for, they're very good for the gut, so they're a prebiotic, so they kind of make the soil good for all the bacteria to grow, all the good bacteria to grow, so they're really important for that. They're good for, helpful for digestion.
William, if you would like to just stir this.
Okay.
You might want to move that around.
Are they supposed to be like brown?
No, they'll go soft.
Okay.
With red onions, they don't quite go brown. That pasta is very hard and not ready. It felt soft with the spoon, but it's not.
Whoop. Garlic. Do you want me to add another?
Vegetables. Add the yellow pepper, and maybe add that at the same time as the celery. So that's a whole yellow pepper. Is that right? And that's 3 red onions and 2 cloves of garlic.
And then we have some celery.
I've chosen a couple of spices to add to the veg, a couple of pinches of za'atar, and then I'm also going to add a secret ingredient, chili flakes. A little bit of spice.
I used to eat chili flakes with egg.
Oh, that's nice. So take like two small pinches, or like 1 big pinch.
I'll do one more smooth one.
So you're going to get a big colander. I'm going to take this big pot of pasta, and that's going to be dumped in the colander.
Do you want me to add any more?
Vegetables. Now you can add the broccoli
and Brussels. My mum likes Brussels sprouts not cooked, so raw. I've never had them raw. So, do you want to try one?
We're trying everything today. Raw.
I can't eat it. That's actually really nice. I can't chew it. My braces are going to break. Okay, well, I'm almost done with the vegetables. We only have a couple left.
When are the carrots going in? Ooh.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we made a mistake. Carrots should have gone in earlier, but
that's what professional chefs do. They forget stuff. Oh, the mushroom. I have the massive bowl of pasta. Are you ready? Oh, it's going everywhere. So it's teamwork.
Makes the... Okay, so the pan is currently struggling a lot. There we go, yay. Oh no. Yay!
Yes. William needs to blow his nose, so he'll be back in a little while.
Sorry about that.
Have you ever had mozzarella before?
Yeah, it's like slime cheese.
Would you like a piece?
Yeah, okay. We're going to eat the entire meal before it's even cooked.
Do you like it?
Yeah. Mozzarella.
No, go away.
No, go away. Bye. We love little siblings.
Don't we?
Okay, should I add the final
vegetables?
Kale. I've got an itchy back.
I'm going to grate the cheddar. Cheese you shouldn't have every day, but I like having it every once in a while because it always gives food a really nice taste.
I love melted cheese on like everything.
Even fruit?
Yeah.
Melted cheese on fruit. Okay, so that veg is pretty much done. So I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to transfer the veg and the pasta together. Come on. Fit.
Oh no.
I'm not sure if we made enough. We've got 1 big layer of pasta and 1 layer of veg, and what we usually do is a layer of pasta, then a layer of veg, a layer of pasta, then a layer of veg.
Is this enough cheese?
Keep going. Cheese makes you happy. Ta-da! Okay, so you need to
too much. I think my suggestion is you get one of those scoopy spoons and put some back in there, and then you can make a second small one.
So we've transferred a little bit onto here. So now I'm going to add, oh yes, that's what I'm talking about.
Be very careful because it's sharp.
So the oven is preheated to 200 degrees. Both of these will go in for about 15 minutes and then everything will be melted. Yeah. Are you ready to see heaven?
Smells delicious. They look cheesy, which is a good thing.
Which is what we wanted. We've been cooking and put all of our sweat and blood into it.
Yep.
Now we finally get to taste it. That's the way I like it.
Beaut.
Goody. Hey. Oh no! That's a great bit.
Don't worry.
It's like the. Okay, I got it. I'm a hero to
Food.
So here we go. Will it taste good or will it taste eh?
It's good.
It's delicious.
And cheesy.
Please like, share with all of your friends, subscribe most importantly, and ring the bell.
And also try yourself with KidLivzcookalong, and you could be with Darshan making delicious meals.
And please try this recipe. It is amazing. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Adios.
There we go.